FICMRepair.com. We're all almost together. Hey guys, head over here to FICM Repair. Obviously we do a lot more than FICMs, but and you see this, look at that. So what we got in front of us here is we have a hitch from GenY hitch. Guys, oh my God, this is heavy. 2-inch class 5 10-inch drop hitch. So if you have a lift on your truck, the last thing that you want to do is be in a situation where you are inadvertently going ahead and having your trailer drive down the road like this. This is not what you want. So it's got to be level. There's all kinds of tire wear conversations and everything else that go in there. So probably you've got a 2-inch hitch on your truck, not a 2.5. GenY does offer 2.5-inch versions. This is the biggest hitch you can get from a capacity perspective on a 2-inch receiver. So it's a 2-inch class 5. This is a 10-inch drop. So if you've got 4-inch lift, 6-inch lift, 10-inch lift, whatever, this will work just fine for that. And it's 16,000 pound towing capacity. But it also, and this is what's really cool about this. Oh my God! Clearly got to take the knife out again. But what also you have going on is a situation where it's got literally everything necessary in order to flip it upside down. 2-inch ball, 2 5/16 ball are included in this hitch. But what's really slick actually is that what this enables you to do is you can actually tow a gooseneck with this. So if your truck's not set up in the bed for a gooseneck, you can flip this thing upside down and hook up a gooseneck and have everything that you need for that as well. So you've got the locking pins here, pretty slick. So everything that you need there to go ahead and hold those things in. It's a very solid piece, very pretty piece. And if you have this hitch, all of your issues with having a trailer that are running at the wrong height will go away, and you won't have to worry about, hey, am I going to bend this thing? Am I going to cause a problem with this thing? Anything like that. So GenY hitch, we sell their complete line. So whatever it is that you need, we can hook you up with. But as you can see here, we have a solid finish. It's not going to corrode. And this should be everything that a growing boy needs. So with this, what you have is a situation where it slides right into your 2-inch receiver. You've got everything there necessary for it. You just go ahead and take it out of the deal, slide it right in your truck, and everything should just work. You don't want to have to think about this, do I'm going to buy another hitch again or whatever. This is your way. Now, in addition to this, what's cool about this is it's also got a pintle receiver option, which is way slick. So this will do a conventional ball hitch, and it'll also do a pintle receiver. So it comes with these little slide pins that are obviously just for shipping purposes, but there we go. So this guy locks in, he slides in from the back, and it locks in your pintle too. So very, very slick. So he locks in your pintle, got that, slide this bad boy out, and you can put it in. Obviously it's going to come in this side just anyway. So there you go, there. So 2-inch or 2 5/16 inch, and you can slide in your pintle lock, and you've got the locking pins for it that just come with it as part of it. And so everything a growing boy needs. Cut away from me, by the way, not towards you. And there we go. Pretty slick. So this, in our humble opinion, it's the best hitch money can buy. So if you do this, you install it. This is going into a drop hitch application on a truck with a 6-inch lift. So we're gonna go ahead and put it down here at the 6-inch setting to get us the drop that we're after. We're gonna slide in the locking pin. That way we're in good shape there. Your pintle hitch, so I don't actually am using this application of pintle hitch at all, so I don't need that. So we're just going to go ahead and slide that in there. We're going to go ahead, put this locking pin up through here, and then you've got everything that you need. And it's, as you can see, it's a positive locking assembly, so pretty slick. This is actually dramatically more involved than other hitches conventionally are. So we'll have to figure out how to get this to go. There we go. Done. So it's positive locking. It's not going anywhere. So my pintle is right there. We'll go ahead and we'll attach this. Same exact method. Holy crap, guys. Okay, you guys are laughing at me, I'm sure. If you're not, you should be. But what I can tell you is that once this is installed and locked, there's really no reason to believe that you need to do anything else. And yeah, that is the whew, holy crap. So now you're 100% set. This goes in your deal. You've got your drop. Your pintle can stay there for storage. Might want to put a locking pin on this. There's an option for this hitch to come with a locking pin. This is the GH525. So 10-inch drop hitch, VersaBall, pintle, and 2 pins. It's a class 5 receiver hitch. Tongue weight capacity of 2,000 pounds. Gross load capacity 16,000 pounds. And yeah, pretty slick. So if you need a hitch solution for your vehicle, give GenY a look. It'll be worth your time. All right. So hope this helps somebody. FICMRepair.com. We're all in this together. All right. Thanks. Be safe out there.